what's up? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. Welcome to This Week in Fashion. I'm Taya and today I'm here to count down for you guys my top 5 hottest celebrities for this week. I haven't done a Twitter review in about 2 weeks, so you don't know if to keep the ball rolling. This week I have some really nice things for you guys, some nice outfits to show you, some nice hairstyles. So if you want to see who's in the lineup, keep on watching. Although Keri Hilson has been MIA for some time now, she's still looking as gorgeous as ever. She was seen at Crave nightclub in Atlanta earlier this week wearing a beautiful draped Michael Costello gown. It was white and she paid just over $1,200 for it. And not only was her style kind of different, because I'm not used to seeing her in like dresses like that, but also her hair was different. She was rocking some really nice box braids. You know, she was doing the half up, half down hairstyle thing. It looked really nice. Her makeup was nice and nude, nice and neutral. She didn't have a lot going on her face, and I just think it brought more focus to the dress and how elegant she looked in the dress. One word for that dress and her in it, goddess, I swear. It was just nice and simple, nice and clean. So she definitely had to make my number 5 spot this week. So celebrities are always posting some really hot pictures on Instagram, and there were some really nice ones posted this week. But this one caught my eye out of all the others. It was Kelly Rowland. She was snapped sitting on some steps, looking really fierce, wearing this nice kimono print jaguar top, which was from Topshop. I'm not sure what was going on, like if she was wearing shorts or if it was like a leotard type thing or tights, or I don't know. Her boots were some nice thigh-high lace-up boots. Really nice, really fierce outfit, and she just looked really chic just sitting on those steps. That totally was like the hottest Instagram picture that I saw. I totally think she deserved to make the countdown this week. Rap goddess Nicki Minaj recently shot a video for Love More. I think Chris Brown was in that joint, I'm not sure. In the video, she was wearing a black swimsuit by Versace. So the swimsuit had a gold-studded image of Medusa on it. Her hair was blonde and it had some tight curls in it. Her makeup was nice and simple. She paired the swimsuit with a black peplum skirt that kind of made it look like a dress, but it was actually a swimsuit and a skirt put together to look like a dress. The studs were in gold, so she accessorized the outfit with gold jewelry. Nicki Minaj looks really good in black. Coming in at number 2 is Miss Adrienne Bailon, who was seen at the G-Shock's Shock the World event wearing a nice white crop top. I think her entire outfit was from Topshop except for the G-Shock watch that she was wearing. She was wearing a nice leopard print high-waisted pants with a white blazer which complemented the quilted white crop top that she was wearing. Everything was neat down to the T. Her hair was really nice and laid, and I just totally love the outfit, so I think she totally deserved the number 2 spot this week. So what's in the number 1 spot, you guys may ask? It's Queen Bee herself, Miss Beyonce, who cut all her hair off. Alright, maybe not all of it. She does have a pixie cut now because she cut most of her hair off. The look is totally different. I've never seen Beyonce look so different. Like, I had to look like really close to be like, Beyonce, is that you? I think it looks really nice, it looks really fresh, and it's a new look at Beyonce. And I hope she'll be doing some new things musically. She still has her honey blonde color, and I think short hair looks really nice on her. That is what was hot this week, you guys. Don't forget to tune in next week for my next fashion review. Like my Facebook fan page and follow me on Twitter. And if you have not checked out my previous Twitter videos, go on ahead. The links will be in the description bar to all the previous episodes. Go ahead and utilize the links to the sides of my screen. Subscribe to me if you're not already subscribed. So until next time, my fashion dons and divas, stay naturally beautiful, and I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!